In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an XY graph in Google Sheets step by step. Whether you're a data enthusiast or just need to visualize some information for a project, creating a graph in Google Sheets is a valuable skill that can help you interpret your data at a glance. Let's dive in and take you through the process with clear and simple steps. First, you'll want to open a new or existing Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to Google Sheets on your web browser and logging into your Google account. Select a new, blank sheet or open any previously created document where you want to generate the chart. Take a moment to ensure your data is well organized, as this will make it easier to convert into a graph. Once your data is ready, the next step is to highlight all the cells containing your data. Click and hold at the top left cell of your data range, drag across to the bottom right, and release the cursor to select the data. This will include both your dependent and independent variables, essential for creating an accurate XY graph. Now, look to the top of the screen and click on the Insert menu. This is where you can add various elements to your spreadsheet, including charts. After clicking Insert, move your cursor down and click on Chart. Upon selecting this, Google Sheets will automatically generate a default chart for you based on the highlighted data. Next, you want to switch to the Customize tab. This allows you to personalize the appearance of your chart and the information it presents. In the Chart Editor pane that appears on the right, you will see various options. Locate and click on Chart and Axis titles. This option lets you name your chart and label the axes, enhancing the clarity and context of your data visualization. Begin by typing in the title for your chart. In the title text box, enter XY graph. This will appear at the top of your chart. Similarly, adjust the titles for the axes. Click on Horizontal Axis title and input the relevant label, such as X-axis, units. This step helps identify what data or variables are being represented along each axis. Switch to the vertical axis title to provide a label, such as Y-axis, dependent. Including axis titles makes your graph more comprehensible to anyone interpreting it, ensuring they understand the relationship between the datasets. Proceed to the Series section within Customize. Here, you can enhance the functionality of your graph by adding a trend line. Click on Trend Line, which visualizes the general trend of your data points. This feature is particularly useful when you want to analyze the relationship trend or forecast future values. Voila! You've successfully created an XY graph in Google Sheets. Remember that customizing elements such as color, background, or grid lines could further enhance your graph's readability. Practicing these steps will make you proficient in creating insightful and visually appealing charts every time. Happy graphing, and see you in the next tutorial.